This tornado warning is in effect until 9 o'clock. Storm chasers and weather spotters reported a tornado.
You're gonna want it. That's a big tornado. I know it's heading towards us. That's getting close for comfort right now, Skinner. No, I'm not. You're not. We need to get the hell out of here. Get your helmet on. Get your helmet on now. Dude, we are in the path. Go. Oh shit. Coming down. It's coming down. Oh shit.
Get the frick out of here!
Get the out of here. Oh. Oh, it's coming back down, Skinner. Cross the median, dude.
Get the frick out! You wanna get out?
I kinda do. I'm gonna take the risk, I think.
No. Look out!
Tornadoes are one of the most destructive forces of nature. 2008 was particularly devastating with record-breaking numbers, with over 2,100 tornadoes touching down in the U.S. That's more than twice the number of tornadoes that usually hits the U.S. in a year.
You gotta back up.
Among many of the professionals out chasing these tornadoes is Ryan Shepard.
Ryan Shepard, one of our 7 News storm chasers.
Storm chasers Ryan Shepard and 7 News storm chaser Ryan Shepard.
Now, other parts of the state did get big thunderstorms today.
The tornado didn't just leave physical damage, it also left many lasting, vivid memories.
Ryan Shepard is an adventurer and a pilot. For the past 7 years, Ryan has been learning to fly. When he was 16 years old, he flew his first solo flight. At age 17, he earned his wings with his private pilot's license. Ryan started chasing storms a couple years ago, taking his background in meteorology into a new interest and hobby. Student at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, where he has been molded into a professional pilot, Ryan wants to take his aeronautical experience to the next level, where storm chasers would dare not to go.
It's called Manned Aircraft and Atmospheric and Tornado Research. It's a project to study the effects of unstable atmosphere and near-storm environment on aircraft.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a strong building on the lowest floor, in an interior room such as a bathroom or closet. Keep away from windows.
Southeast to southwest of airport, moving east with frequent lightning.
344, roger.
There's a funnel cloud south of the airport over the refineries. Would you like to continue or divert to another airport?
344, we see the funnel cloud.
It would be a huge benefit for our mission of chasing tornadoes and studying them to have Ryan in an aircraft.
Sean Casey, a star from Discovery Channel Storm Chasers, is an adventurer and extreme filmmaker who lives life on the edge. For over a decade, he has traveled the world filming nature's extremes. For over 8 years, Sean has returned to the plains in the spring to film the natural spectacle that has captured his soul: tornadoes. In the upcoming seasons, Sean would like to implement a new angle to his film, an aircraft equipped with an IMAX camera.
When we're chasing tornadoes, we're stuck on the ground with our vehicles. As of yet, we've never had an airplane up in the sky that has instruments, has video cameras, and possibly the IMAX camera to record what's going on from that perspective.
We want to use the aircraft in the storm environment so that we can get better angles for the film, as well as a better edge for the instruments to collect data. We can see things that maybe the ground crews may not be able to see on the ground. Constantly keep in communication with them, warn them of the hazards, as well as report back data and what we're visually seeing up there so that they can better their chase on the ground, possibly even increase their safety as well.
You have eyes from a different perspective that can tell us what's going on from that vantage point. So it's almost a crucial thing to have. Scientifically speaking, having an aircraft with instruments on board is sampling the air at elevations that we could never sample from. And also having video cameras on board, and hopefully an IMAX camera on that airplane, we can see the storm from a different perspective. We can see the scope of the storm and how it's developing from the air, which would be a huge benefit to our mission.
Reed Timmer, star from Storm Chasers, a meteorologist and professional storm chaser, has seen over 200 tornadoes in his career. He became interested in extreme weather at a very young age. Every spring and summer season, his team, TornadoVideos.net, or TVN, travels from the Mexican border to Canada, striving to photograph tornadoes from extreme close range, often driving more than 40,000 miles during the spring and summer. His infamous reputation is achieved by his videos of close encounters to the tornadoes. In the upcoming seasons, Reed's TDM team should benefit from Ryan flying in an aircraft above.
I'm Reed Timmer, meteorologist and TornadoVideos.net Storm Chaser, and we were featured on Season 2 of Discovery Channel Storm Chasers, and that featured the record-breaking 2008 season when we intercepted over 15 tornadoes and actually deployed our tornado instrument probe in the path. And our goal is to collect data within and also around tornadoes with our TornadoVideos.net camera and instrument probe.
Turn off the windshield wipers! Turn off the wipers! Don't go! Jesus Christ! Get in. Back up! Back up!
Having an aircraft in the sky also measuring data, recording temperature, dew point, pressure, all kinds of weather data around the upper levels of a tornado would be very beneficial to science, because we'll be collecting that ground data and an aircraft will be collecting this same data except higher up, around, and maybe even within the tornado.
Well, for one thing, it'd be a hell of an adrenaline rush. A lot more than I get chasing storms in the car. As far as chasing the storms up there, it'd definitely be a whole nother edge to using science and technology. You should come along, We get Reed in the passenger side, probably try and climb out on the wing or something with his camera. We get close to the tornado, back up! Reed, there's no backup in this thing.
I'm Joel Taylor, meteorologist and TornadoVideos.net Storm Chaser. Having an airplane would give you a much wider range in your ability to get to storms that are further away. Something that's 60, 70 miles away, would you be able to get there really, really quick, whereas in a vehicle, you may not even be able to catch the storm if it was moving away from you.
Reed gets some of the best footage out there, and Sean is equipped to film from inside a tornado. As of yet, tornado footage from the air has yet to become a part of the filming mission. Aviator Ryan Shepard will be equipped for this endeavor.